Today is day 11. We've only got 3 more days left now, but today we are heading for Blizzard Beach. So we were supposed to go here a couple of days ago, but the weather was a lot cooler, so we amended our plans slightly. So we're going today as it's due to be another scorcher of a day. We've got dinner booked later at 6 o'clock for Animal Kingdom's Rainforest Cafe, and then maybe we'll head over to Pandora, see that on the night, and get on a couple of rides maybe if the queues aren't too bad. But it looks like it's going to be another beautiful day today here at Walt Disney World. Just been sat on the balcony watching the giraffes. So we are just about to get up, go and grab a snack credit for breakfast, and then catch the bus over to Disney's Blizzard Beach. I'll be switching over to the GoPro to film there, and we're going to have lots of fun. So we're just arriving at Blizzard Beach Water Park for the day. Just got off the bus via Animal Kingdom.
Mummy, this is nicer than I thought it would be.
Nicer? What do you mean?
Like the sign.
The sign's nicer. What's that? Go and get it. Go back to.
How low can you go? Can you bring it to the top? Like it never stopped. Can you bring it to the top? One hard.
Go and dance.
Right foot now.
Go and dance with him.
Left foot now, y'all.
Go on. Dunno. Right, do you want to go on some rides then? Stu and Summer have just gone to order our food. I am having the chicken strips with steak fries. Alice is having pizza, flatbread, are you? And Summer's having the chicken strips as well. So the food has come, so we've got pepperoni flatbread, Dad's got beer, we've got a lemonade, and we've got some chicken strips and a Coke. You got some pixie dust, haven't you? Right, let's eat then, yeah?
Yep.
Hungry? Hungry? Let's eat them.
Are you ready? Let me say something. Bon appetit.
How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
So we've just returned from a day at Blizzard Beach. Really hot day. We got on quite a lot of rides, didn't we?
Yes.
We did Steamboat Springs 3 times. What else did we do?
We did that slide that I want to go on again.
We did, what's it called, Stu?
Mats.
We did the slide with the mats.
That's called the, what's it called?
Don't know. Do you know what it's called, Stu?
No, one's toboggan.
Yeah,
One's the toboggan races, and then the other one's like a windy one. I went on the windy one, and then Stu and then the kids went on the toboggan races. We did the lazy river. So we've just done a viewing sitting area around the hotel as well, and saw zebra, giraffe.
They had some.
They've got like viewing binoculars, haven't they?
Mhm.
So we used the viewing binoculars and got a really good view. And
I saw a zebra.
we are just about to go for dinner now at Rainforest Cafe. We've got a few fast passes booked last minute as well at Animal Kingdom. What have we got, Stu?
Wait,
Safari
they've got
Rivers of Light.
and Rivers of Light show, which we've not seen yet.
Timon.
So we're just about to leave the hotel now for Animal Kingdom, and our dinner in 40 minutes. So we're just arriving at the Rainforest Cafe now at Animal Kingdom. We're a little bit early for our reservation. It's about 10 minutes early, but we're going to try and see if we can get in. Now, if not, we just have to wait. It doesn't matter.
Summer vibes.
Really hungry. Have they got my usual Caribbean coconut shrimp, ribs, iron steak? Oh, that sounds so good. Oh, I think I'm gonna go for that one. I'd rather have the scampi over the ribs. Let's stay here. You finding Dory? Oh, there she is. Hi, Dory. So I went for the strawberry mojito cocktail. Possibly be one of the nicest cocktails I've ever had. So yummy. You get one of these cocktail or alcoholic drink usually up to the value of $14 if you're on the Disney dining plan, with a table service meal. So it's really good value. So the food's come and it looks so good. So I've got the coconut shrimp, I've got my steak and my other shrimp, my fries, Summer's tucking into her oranges, pepperoni pizza, this has got his Jurassic chicken, dinosaurs, mashed potato, and Stu's got his chicken, ribs and shrimp combo. You happy? Let's eat! Yum 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 yum. Did you like your dinner? What would you rate it out of 10?
9.5.
9.5. What would you rate yours out of 10, Ellis? 10. Stu, what would you rate yours out of 10? I give mine 8.5. Just waiting for our dessert now. Stu's gone for key lime pie, his first try, because I wouldn't share the what's it called? Oh, volcano. I wouldn't share it with him. So Stu's gone for the key lime pie, and I've gone for the tribal cheesecake. And the kids are having like a gummy worm Oreo dessert, like a chocolate cake basically. So we just got the dessert and I've got the cheesecake arrived. Let's have a look at your gummy worms. They're crawling. Does it look good? And then Stu has got key lime pie. Summer, are you enjoying your gummy worms? So we've just had our meal at the Rainforest Cafe and now we're leaving and we're going into Animal Kingdom Park. Got some fast passes. Safari, you do keep hiding. So look. Animal Kingdom's never gone in this late before. We seem to be going and everyone's leaving. So we're just heading into Dino Land where we're going to ride Primeval World, Summer's favourite ride. And what else are we going to ride, Ellis? Dinosaur.
And then it's might go on Triceratops a bit.
Oh yeah, you could do that. I've never been here at night before when it's been dark on this ride. Oh, it looks nice lit up at night. Dino Land. So we're just heading for Primeval World. The sky looks absolutely gorgeous with these lights and colours, doesn't it? Here we are, Sumsy. Well, you'll have to. Should we see how long the queue time is? How long's the wait time? 10 minutes. Let's do this. You might get measured for your height again. Come on then. Go. This way. Let's go and get measured. So we've just been on Primeval World and we've just gone to see, about to go and see Rivers of Light, and a nice lady gave you a
really pretty nice lady gave me a fast pass for Primeval World.
Yeah, you were telling her it was your favourite ride, weren't you? We better hurry up for Rivers of Light now.
She got something out of her pocket and then did really well. I've got a fast pass for it and she gave it to me.
Oh, we wanted to get some popcorn for this, didn't we? Never mind. We're just arriving for Rivers of Light. Last time we tried to do this, it was called off, wasn't it, because of the thunder?
Okay, welcome. You go all the way
I
forward.
remember I kept screaming.
You go all the way forward, come back.
Here, where the forces of nature meet in harmony, the spirits of the animals are freed to dance together in the night sky, creating rivers of light. We are united in this special place to celebrate the magnificence and wonder of all living creatures, for in life we are all one.
you. Wasn't it? It was a really good show. Daddy and Ellis are over waiting for us. Ellis is really tired and it's not tall enough. But Summer got a fast pass to Primeval Well and we're just using it now. And we've got a car to ourselves. Woo! We're going up, Summer. Gonna put our hands up. Ready? Ready?
I've never been on it in the dark.
Whoa!
Get my favourite bit.
Uh-oh. Ready? Spirit's gonna spin us round. Woo! Wow! Woo! Woo! Here we go. So we just come off Primeval Well and I think it's time to call it a night now. We're all really tired. Went to bed about 2 AM last night. We're up again at 7 o'clock this morning, so it's time to say goodnight. We're going to go back to the hotel now, get an early night because tomorrow morning we've got Hollywood Studios first thing, just to mop up a few things that we didn't get a chance to do there. Then on to Epcot, and then we're going to meet up with my uncle, my auntie and hopefully my cousin for the evening. Awakening show, which was really cute, and now we're just heading into Pandora and I'm glowing.
T-shirt. Look at the floor.
Because we haven't seen it in the light, have we? Look at the floor.
Glowing.
Wow, this is so cool. Summer, you are literally, smile. You're like a little smile. Look, the lights through it. The ground's really cool, isn't it? I love the floor.
It is so good. Oh my god. What do you mean you have one in there?
Wow, it's really pretty, isn't it? Look at it. Oh, she could have gone on that riverboat journey. 12:30. Oh well, it's something to do next time, isn't it, guys? I do love the floor. I'll stop filming the floor, it looks amazing on the camera. Wow. We've got the moon. Definitely got to come at night, it's absolutely amazing. Okay? Yeah. Guess we've seen it now. Is Ellis asleep? No, he's awake. Is it cool, Ellis? Is it cool? You had a good day then, babe. What has been your favourite part?
Primeval.
Primeval Well. Twice. What else have you enjoyed? Enjoy Blizzard Beach? Yeah. It's just, we're just leaving Animal...
Swimming in the lazy river.
Yeah. Not so lazy for you.
No, because I swam it.
We're just leaving Animal Kingdom for the last time this holiday. And say bye bye, Animal Kingdom. So see you soon. Say bye, Sunday.
Bye, Animal Kingdom.